I would like to thank ArcDias for inviting me here to speak about their new competition, The Sacred Space. They've asked me to answer one simple question: what is sacred for me? I think my studio is sacred for me. Anything that gives me a sense of belonging, that gives me a sense of connection, that gives me a sense of peace is sacred for me. It could be any activity, it could be any object, it could be any place. Anything that I hold at utmost respect is sacred for me. And I think my studio does exactly the same. It gives me a sense of belonging, completion, pride, and happiness all in the same place. And that's my sacred space.
The word sacred brings in a bevy of strong, integral, and complex emotions. Sacred is a deeply personal and an intrinsic feeling which can be associated in a religious or a spiritual sense, or can simply be where one recognizes the significance of an entity in one's life. Example, for an artist, his art is sacred to him. So what is the common thread here? I strongly believe that it is a sense of oneness, a symbiotic relationship that invokes respect, reverence, where one naturally and calmly surrenders oneself. Years of religious and cultural influences has led to a sense of infused sacredness. We have been conditioned over the years to feel sacred in a particular space, and many of us are limited to this view. Sacred for me is not when a space is overwhelming, but when it establishes a connect with me. A space that has the right balance of build, where nature's elements are allowed to permeate and grow, all of which come together to invoke my sensory responses. This is the harmony that creates a state of stillness and oneness, making the relationship so divine, pure, and personal. Thank you.
If I really want to understand the meaning of a sacred space, the most familiar keyword that arises is peace. Now, how will you understand that peaceness in any space? Because sacred, the term is absolutely universal. It is irrespective to any religions and any other space. It doesn't matter. So it's basically a lens. Sacred is a lens. It's a way, like that lens through which you will understand the actual rhythmic or actual the serenity of space. So there is a kind of, I feel, in any sacred space there is a relationship between that peace, the serenity, versus the inner volume, any architecture of space, any space. Maybe it's a landscape also, so inner and outer volume. So it doesn't matter whether it is inner and outer as well. The primary things, the one of the core things in any sacred space, so the moment you arrive in those, it will actually arise your senses, the inner senses. It will active your inner senses. So of that senses will give you an ineffable feel about a space, and which I term it as a peace and it's sacred. So that's what I feel. So there is a relationship between the serenity versus the architectural volume versus the senses. So it actually act together like a cycle. If you build a cycle chart about the sacred architecture, so architecture is a central domain which is being connected with various elements. So senses is one element, the serenities is another kind of sensational element. So various elements and factors which combine and develops a sacred space, and develops a volume. So from the external factors, your overall design, the volume evolves in terms of sacred architecture, designing a sacred space. And that's what, in one word, in my exploration, I find out it as an ineffable space.
The word sacred in today's context for us as architects of this generation expresses a place of sanctity, calmness, a place which is elated with peace and purity for worship. A space which is not pertinent to a specific set of people belonging to the same caste or creed, Rather, it should belong to humans as a race and practice or worship humanity as a culture.
This is the sacred that we would want our future to be part of.
This is the place that today's world needs to understand and redefine, and the world that we envision for our future must have.
Sacred space is a space where you find your hope. Different people may find it in a different way. Some may find it by exercising, some may find it by talking to themselves, some may even find it by talking to someone else. So the characteristics of the place is different for everyone. But generally speaking, the place should be calmer, close to nature, quiet space, might be with little bit of a background music, soothing texture, less chaotic area, and might be large volume can be appreciated, like open to sky or somewhere, because it makes you smaller and you can find your corner and sit and think about yourself.